Hi, in this video I will show you how quick and easy it is to make a podcast for your website, iTunes or other podcasting sites. Here I've built up my mix, which is roughly about an hour long, by simply dragging and dropping my songs into the mixing screen. I've mixed them together and I've also used the automatic crossfading feature. To learn more about creating a DJ mix, please see the DJ mix tutorial. Once I've built up my mix, I want to add my voiceover to the tracks to introduce the songs and artists and give some feedback on them. To record in my voice, I click on the microphone icon in the main toolbar. Firstly, select your microphone and then choose your file name, location and codec. Here I'll select Wav from the file types and I'll call my mix Podcast Introduction. And I'll click Save. As I talk, I will see the volume bar moving and I can adjust the volume. When happy, I can press record to record in my intro. Once I press stop, the recording will be presented to you in the media browser, ready to be inserted into the mix. I'll close the recording box. I will place my recording into the mixing screen. Once your track is in, you may notice it will play fast as it's locked to the global tempo. To unlock the entire channel, click on the Enable Disable Beat Syncing icon in the track name. Your voice will now play at its normal speed.
It's great to be back and I've got...
From listening to it, I can hear that my music track volume needs to be lowered and I would like to boost my voice a little. On the music track, I will introduce a volume envelope and insert nodes and bring it down over my voice.
What's up everybody, CB here from the trakAX team. It's great to be back and I've got a great show lined up tonight. We're going to be mixing some of the hottest tracks from Guy J, Dubfire, John Digweed and more. So let's start tonight with this absolute banger from Paul Nazca and Leslie Kai. This is Minstrel B.
On my voice channel, I can simply boost the volume using the volume slider on the track name. Or if I want, I can also click on the segment properties icon and boost it using the volume slider. I'll now build up my voiceovers by recording in some more introductions. So I've brought in my voiceovers and I'll quickly play one to show you that I've continued to use the volume envelopes to control the volumes in my mix. So that last tune was Grindhouse, Dubfire Terror Planet Remix. And this next song I first heard on my holidays last summer in Ibiza, and it's still one of my favourites. It's Pop Off with Lost Thought Part 2. Now that I've built up my podcast, I want to export it. I simply click on the Export button in the mixing screen. The Save Media to dialog box will open. If you've added photos to your podcast and would like to export it as an enhanced Apple podcast, select the MP4 file format. We'll just save ours as an M4A, which will also play in iTunes. You can also save your podcast as an MP3. Once you've selected your file format, select the audio codec to choose the quality you would like to save it as. And there you go, you've just created a podcast.